Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. This is going to be session 5th for the series AI Practitioner Certificate questions, and we are going to start with our 41st question of the series. A company is training a foundation model. The company wants to increase the accuracy of the model up to a specific acceptance level. Which solution will meet these requirements? Here are the options: decrease the batch size, option B, increase the epochs, C, decrease the epochs, option D, increase the temperature parameter. So try to guess the correct answer. So the correct answer here will be option B, increase the epochs, because increasing the number of epochs allows the model to continue learning from the data, potentially improving its accuracy as it trains on more examples. However, there is a risk of overfitting if epochs are increased too much. Now question number 42. A company is building a large language model question answering chatbot. The company wants to decrease the number of actions call center employees need to take to respond to customer questions. Which business objective should the company use to evaluate the effect of LLM chatbot? Here are the options: website engagement rate, option B, average call duration, option C, corporate social responsibility, option D, regulatory compliance. And the correct answer here will be option B, average call duration, because average call duration is a key metric for evaluating efficiency of a question answering chatbot in call center environment. And by reducing the number of actions employees need to take, the chatbot can help streamlining customer interaction, resulting in shorter call duration. So option B is correct here. Now question number 43rd. Which functionality does Amazon SageMaker Clarify provide? And here are the options: integrates a retrieval augmented generation workflow. Option B, monitors the quality of ML model in production. Option C, document critical details about ML models. Option D, identify potential bias during data preparation. And the correct answer here will be option D, identifies potential bias during data preparation. This is because SageMaker clarifies helps identifying potential bias during data preparation without writing code. You specify input features such as gender or age, and SageMaker clarify runs an analysis job to detect potential bias in those features. So option D is correct here. Now question number 44. A company is developing a new model to predict the prices of specific items. The model performed well on the training datasets. When the company deployed the model to production, the model's performance decreased significantly. What should the company do to mitigate this problem? Option A, reduce the volume of data that is being used in training. Option B, add hyperparameter to the model. Option C, increase volume of data that is used in training. Option D, increase the model training time. So correct answer here will be option C, increase the volume of data that is being used in training, because increasing the volume of data used in training can help improve the model's performance in production by providing it with more diverse examples to learn from. Now question number 45th. An e-commerce company wants to build a solution to determine customer sentiment based on written customer review of product. Which AWS service meet these requirements? Choose two. Option A, Amazon Lex. Option B, Amazon Comprehend. Option C, Amazon Poly. Option D, Amazon Bedrock. Option E, Amazon Recognition. And the correct answer here will be option B and D, Amazon Comprehend and Amazon Bedrock. Because Amazon Comprehend is a natural language processing service that uses machine learning to uncover insights and text and relationship in text. It offers sentiment analysis capabilities out of box, which can directly determine the sentiments positive, negative, neutral or mixed expressed in customer reviews. And Amazon Bedrock is fully managed service that makes foundation model accessible with simple API calls. So it allows you to build generative AI application for various use cases, including sentiment analysis. So option B and option D are the correct answer here. Now question number 46. A company want to use large language models with Amazon Bedrock to develop a chat interface for the company's product manual. The manuals are stored as PDF files. Which solution meet this requirement most cost effectively? Option A. Use prompt engineering to add one PDF file as context to user prompt when the prompt is submitted to Amazon Bedrock. Option B. Use prompt engineering to add all the PDF files as context to the user prompt when the prompt is submitted to Amazon Bedrock. Option C. Use all the PDF document to fine tune a model with Amazon Bedrock. Use the fine tune model to process the user prompt. Option D. Upload PDF document to an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base. Use the knowledge base to provide context when user submit prompt to Amazon Bedrock. So options are quite lengthy, so take your time to guess the correct answer here. And correct answer here will be option D. Upload PDF document to an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base. Use the knowledge base to provide context when user submit prompt to Amazon Bedrock. This is because using a knowledge base allows for efficient retrieval of relevant information from the PDF without having to include all the content in every prompt. So option D is correct here. Now question number 47. A social media company want to use large language model for content moderation. The company want to evaluate LLM output for bias and potential discrimination against a specific group or individuals. Which data source should the company use to evaluate LLM output with the least administrative effort? Option A. User generated content. Option B. Moderation logs. Option C. Content moderation guidelines. Option D. Benchmark datasets. Now I am going to reveal the correct answer, and the correct answer here will be option D, benchmark datasets. Because benchmark datasets are specifically designed to test the performance of language models on various tasks, including bias detection. They often contain diverse data that can help them identify potential bias in LLM's output. So option D is correct here. Now question number 48. A company want to use a pre-trained generative AI model to generate content for its marketing campaigns. The company need to ensure that the generated content aligns with the company's brand voice and messaging requirement. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Optimize model architecture and hyperparameter to improve model overall performance. Option B. Increase model's complexity by adding more layer to the model's architecture. Option C. Create effective prompt that provide clear instructions and context to guide the model's generation. Option D. Select a large diverse dataset to pre-train a new generative model. And the correct answer here will be option C. Create effective prompt that provide clear instructions and context to guide the model's generation. Because prompt engineering is crucial technique to ensure that a pre-trained generative AI model generates content that align with the company's brand voice and messaging requirement. And by carefully crafting prompt, you can guide the model to produce specific, relevant and own brand content. So option C is correct here. Now question number 49. A loan company is building a generative AI based solution to offer new applicants discount based on specific business criteria. The company want to build and use an AI model responsibly to minimize bias that could negatively affect some customers. Which action should the company take to meet this requirement? Here are the options. Detect imbalance or disparities in the data. Option B. Ensure that the model runs frequently. Option C. Evaluate model's behavior so that the company can provide transparency to stakeholders. Option D. Use the recall oriented understudy for gisting evaluation technique to ensure that the model is 100% accurate. Option E. Ensure that the model's inference time is within the accepted limit. And the correct answer here will be option A. Detect imbalances or disparities in the data. And option C. Evaluate the model's behavior so that the company can provide transparency to stakeholders. And option B is not correct here because frequent model run doesn't address bias or responsible AI. And option D, rogue, is not correct here because it is used for text summarization evaluation, not landing decisions. And option E is wrong here because inference time is about performance, not for fairness or responsibility. So option A and option C are correct here. Now question number 50. A company is using an Amazon Bedrock base model to summarize document for an internal use case. The company trained a custom model to improve the summarization quality. Which action must the company take to use the custom model through the Amazon Bedrock? Option A, purchase provisioned throughput for custom model. Option B, deploy the custom model in Amazon SageMaker endpoint for real-time inference. Option C, register the model with Amazon SageMaker model registry. Option D, grant access to the custom model in Amazon Bedrock. Take your time to guess the answer. And the correct answer here will be option A, purchase provisioned throughput for the custom model. So this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great learning.